how to get pocket option promo codes and how to use them. First, you want to go into pocket option, then click on your profile icon in the top right. Now right here we will go into withdrawal. Now you want to go into the promo code section, and here I've just go search for promo code or pocket option promo codes, and I suggest this website right here. So click on the website itself. Next, you want to find a code. So let's do this one as an example here. So I'm just going to go and copy this code right here. Like so, it's going to tell me that the code has been copied. Now, if I go back into pocket option, do you have a promo code? If I paste the code here and if it works, it's going to tell us this. So 40 deposit amount, bonus, minimum deposit, bonus amount, required net turnover. You will click on activate here, and that's how you use and get pocket option codes. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.